Hi, and I'm gonna show you how to find a secret weapon box in Borderland. What's this place called again? The Rust Commons West. So just spawn here and have a vehicle. Just drive here. Don't go straight. Just go right and just zoom in. Just drive fast, really fast, and so you can get there faster. And there's one machine gun and the second one. Go to the second one. So so you'll get to this one. See here? This is the one you need. So just take your car and just drive on these rocks here. And just leave your car here and go down it. Be careful, there's gonna be a red line here. So go at the edge of this and just fall down. See the red. So you're under this rock, and here's the secret box. They might be good weapons because you see now there's grenades. Well, mostly time it's grenades. I have modded guns. I got them. Anyway, so yeah, that's the magic box. If you want to get out, you can kill yourself or try and climb up. It's a bit hard. So it's hard to climb. See, it's impossible to climb up. But I done it once, so you could just climb up, die. Oh my god, look how much feed I gave off. Anyway, so that's how to get the secret box, secret weapon box. So please comment and subscribe. See ya. Bye.